Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to project stunning images and videos in any setting, whether it's for work, education, or entertainment, with a device that's not only powerful, but also incredibly versatile. That's what we have with the Epson BrightLink 770Fi ultra-short, throw 3 LCD projector, and I'm excited to share all its amazing features with you. First, let's talk about the long operating life of this projector. With an impressive 30,000 hours of operating life, you can be sure that your projector will keep performing at its best for years to come. This means you can use it for countless presentations, movie nights, or educational sessions without worrying about it giving out on you. Whether you're a business professional who constantly travels for meetings or a teacher who uses the projector for daily lessons, the reliability of the Epson BrightLink 770Fi is a game changer. You can focus on your content and your audience, knowing that your projector has got your back. Another feature that really stands out is the portable design of the Epson BrightLink 770Fi. Weighing in at a lightweight, this projector is designed to be easily transported from one place to another. This is perfect for professionals who need to make presentations on the go or for educators who might need to move the projector between classrooms. The portability doesn't compromise on performance. Instead, it enhances the overall user experience by providing flexibility and convenience. Imagine being able to set up a high-quality presentation anywhere, anytime, without the hassle of dealing with a bulky device. The high resolution of the Epson BrightLink 770Fi is also worth mentioning. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080, this projector delivers crisp and clear images that are sure to captivate your audience. Whether you're showing detailed graphs for a business meeting, playing educational videos for your students, or enjoying a movie night with family and friends, the high resolution ensures that every detail is sharp and vivid. This level of image quality is not just aesthetically pleasing. It also enhances the effectiveness of your communication, making it easier for your message to be understood and remembered. Furthermore, the Epson BrightLink 770Fi is wall-mountable, which adds to its convenience and versatility. This feature allows you to permanently install the projector in a boardroom, classroom, or home theater, ensuring a professional setup that's always ready to use. The wall mounting option also helps in reducing clutter and saving space, keeping your presentation area clean and organized. Plus, with its ultra-short throw capability, you can project large images from a very short distance, which is perfect for small rooms or when space is limited. Lastly, the compatibility of the Epson BrightLink 770Fi with laptops and other devices is seamless, making it easy to connect and start using right away. This projector supports a wide range of devices, ensuring that whether you're using a PC, Mac, or mobile device, you can easily connect and project your content. This feature is particularly useful in collaborative environments where different users may have different types of devices. The ease of connection and the lack of compatibility issues mean that you can focus on your presentation or entertainment rather than wasting time trying to get your device to work with the projector. In conclusion, the Epson BrightLink 770Fi ultra-short, throw 3 LCD projector is an incredible piece of technology that offers so much value to its users. From its long operating life and portable design to its high resolution and wall-mountable feature, this projector is designed to meet the needs of professionals, educators, and entertainment seekers alike. If you're in the market for a projector that combines performance, convenience, and versatility, then the Epson BrightLink 770Fi is definitely worth considering. Find the link in the description below too. Learn more about this amazing product and how it can enhance your presentations, educational sessions, or movie nights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your viewing experience to the next level with the Epson BrightLink 770Fi. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.